Hey everyone, my name is Gabe from Cruise City Media, and today I'm going to be showing you a brief unboxing of the new MacBook Pro with the M2pro chip. All nice and wrapped up for us. I like the new space gray. It's a good color, nice and a little bit darker than the classic silver. We also have this new braided cable Thunderbolt connection. Finally, Apple's wised up and given us a little bit beefier option. And then underneath here we have the 96-watt Thunderbolt charger. Decided to go outside for this next big. I wanted to see the screen out in the bright sunlight. And it's booting up for the first time here. So you can see even in the full daylight here, it's bright, clear. The one thing I did like is the keys are much more tactile than the old flat keys. Feels a lot nicer in the hands.